So the Supreme Court of these wonderful and just United States voted 5-4 yesterday in favor of allowing strip searches for any arrest whatsoever by officials. And I'm not really sure who they're referring to and who's included in this definition or this vague term, quote, officials. I would assume it just means police officers and whatnot, but I could be mistaken. It could be more far-reaching than that. But anyway, so they voted and said, yeah, no matter what the arrest is, no matter what the crime is, you are going to get strip searched. And, you know, if we decide not to strip search you, we may not, but we have the right to strip search you. Or rather, you don't have the right to not have us stick our fingers in your asshole if you forget to take your dog out on a leash, or if you forget to drive with your license, or if you're speeding a little bit too much and your license is suspended. Better get out and check and see if you have any heroin in your asshole, or maybe if you're a lady, they'll get a lady cop out there and they can check your vagina. I'm sure that'll feel great. That's going to be a really great thing for this country, making sure that everyone's safer with fingers in all of our assholes. Can we stop pretending that we're in a free country? Can we stop this bullshit rhetoric that we are still in a free country? Are you kidding me? Are you joking me right now? Now, I know that there are a lot of dissenting judges and there are a lot of law officials, police officers included, that are against this, and I am on their side. Not everyone is in favor of this, and I want to make that patently clear. Now, it's not as though every police officer and every judge is like hankering to try and get their hands down your pants. But the point is that it passed. It passed under the auspice of keeping people safe. Are you kidding me? This is just another stupid TSA kind of thing, where they threaten us with some menial little thing like saying, oh, you don't want to get hit by a terrorist, you know, because we were attacked by them once a decade ago. You know, we don't want that to happen. So in order for us to avoid that, we're just going to search your assholes and put you through these naked scanning machines every time you get on a plane. I mean, it's ridiculous. It's like cutting off your arms to avoid having to pay for deodorant. You're doing all of these ridiculous, expensive costs, these invasive things, and it has no benefit whatsoever, no tangible benefit. Like, by that logic, I can say that because the TSA is there and we haven't been attacked by terrorists again, I can say that this candle that I have, it protects me from dinosaurs. You know, I've had this candle in here for about a week, and for a week, I haven't seen a single freaking dinosaur. So by that logic, keeps away dinosaurs. So we should put these candles in every house, on every street corner, spend millions of dollars on them to make sure that these candle repellent, or these dinosaur repellent candles are everywhere to keep us safe from those secret invisible dinosaurs that are wandering around, you know, those real threats. But, and of course that's hyperbole, but you know what I'm saying. This is ridiculous. There is no tangible benefit. And at least when you're going through the TSA, the chances are is you're not going to get strip search unless maybe there's a horny guy on duty and he sees a sexy lady or something. But this is ridiculous. This is crazy. In the article itself, it says that dissenting judges in lower courts and Justice Breyer said that it included violating leash laws, driving without a license, and failing to pay child support. So if you don't pay child support, the police can come to your house and finger your butthole. Are you kidding me? This has to be a joke. This has to be a joke. This has to be a late April Fool's joke. I can't even fathom any other option. It can't. I mean, this cannot be a law. Who thinks this is a good idea? I'm exasperated. I have nothing to say about this other than just sheer contempt for our justice system. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me with this shit? So now we don't even have the right to not have our assholes fingered before we're arrested? This is ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. And you think that that's the only traumatizing part? The only traumatizing part is going to be when they touch you? No. Being stripped down in front of a bunch of police officers, probably being laughed at, probably getting abused and made fun of just because you failed to pay child support or didn't put your dog on a leash, or just, this is ridiculous, and this is so easily abusable. Imagine all of the attractive women who are going to get strip searched for menial little bullshit arrests like this. Imagine that. That's disgusting to me. That is despicable to me. I cannot look anyone in the face who could possibly support this and have a semblance of respect for them. This is revolting. This is repugnant. I cannot believe that this is the country we're living in right now. And it's such horseshit because we were the ones who were raised to believe that our justice system actually revolved around justice. And every day, our rights are trampled on more, and we're shit on by the government, and we're shit on by the justice system. And it's becoming ever more clear with each and every passing day that they don't give a shit about our safety. They give a shit about protecting their own asses, and that's it. And getting their fingers in ours.